You're a fucking Uber driver, man.
Down. It's in your hand. It's in your hand. It's illegal. Get off it. Put it down. It doesn't matter. It's illegal. Right. Report you to the police. Nice one. I've got you on camera. Y748. CSF. Nice one. See you at police.
Get off your fucking phone, you
Op your phone. No, put down the phone. You're a bus driver. You're on camera. So fuck up.
Levanta.
¿Tienes un ratito ahí?
Sí.
¿Llega bien, no?
Sí.
Vinimos justo.
Well, eventually we'll get to move. Oh, here we go. Whoa, buddy. What the f is it all about? Holmes? Sorry, but that kind of threw me off, man. Kind of keeping my distance off this guy. Oh, here we go. Gotta watch him on this turn now. How you doing, folks? You realize you almost hit me back there, right? They're not even gonna look over at me, like I don't exist. You can see the scrapes on the side of his car already. Probably already sideswiped the biker or something. Moron. He's got the older lady with him, so I'm not gonna say nothing to him. I just wanted to give him a stare, let you guys get a good look at what a moron looks like. Oh, my buddy just texted me. Let's watch this guy on this turn. Let's see if he wants to cut off a car. Ooh, big bump. Would have felt that in the nuts for sure. Oh, visor down. See, he's coming over again. He's got issues, man, I'm telling you. He's clueless to where he's going, or he's purposely trying to with me, and I'm gonna lose my patience on him. Old lady or not in the car. I'm about to have a Moto madness moment. Bye, dumbass.
Thought I heard an ambulance. The fuck? Asshole! You too? Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking people, man. Stupid motherfuckers. Fuck you! Fucking bitch, you almost fucking killed me, you asshole! Fucking stupid bitch, not fucking paying attention, almost fucking hits me, and then wants to come over here and blow the horn at me like it was my fucking fault. Fuck that stupid bitch. Fucking cocksucker. See, that's the fucking mentality that these fucking drivers have, man. The fucking bitch almost runs my ass over. I give her the fucking finger. And then she wants to blow the fucking horn at me at the light like it was my fault the whole fucking thing happened. Stupid ass. Like she can't see a bright red fucking motorcycle. Well, if you're driving a fucking fire truck, good luck. Because that goofy bitch will run your ass over. And then blame you for it. Fucking stupid ass people, man. Jesus fucking Christ.